An inspection for cleanliness is required in a number of locations on and within the ARIETTA 850. This includes the monitor, operation panel, exterior panels, probe holders, storage locations on the system, filters and foot switch if present. Caution: do not sterilize the system using chemical or gas. Doing so may damage the system. Caution: do not drop any liquid on the surface or inside the system. Doing so may lead to an electric shock or short circuiting. Caution: do not clean the system using organic solvents such as alcohol or the LC cleaner available in the market. During cleaning, wipe off the monitor using a microfiber cloth to clean the touch panel. Also wipe off the operation panel, exterior package, probe holder and foot switch using a soft and dry cloth. To clean heavy stains, follow the following steps. Soak a soft cloth in diluted neutral detergent and twist it firmly. Carefully wipe off the target part using the cloth to remove stains. Wipe off dry. For best results, use a microfiber cloth to clean the touch panel. Jelly warmer and probe holder cleaning. Pull out the silicone rubber of the jelly warmer and probe holders. Using flowing water, wash off stains with a sponge or gauze. Next, let the washed parts dry naturally. Finally, reinstall the washed parts dry and in the original position. Dust filter cleaning. Remove the filter cover while pressing the claws down. Once removed, pull out the filter. Repeat this action on the dust filter on the other side of the system. Vacuum off any dust and if needed, wash the filter with flowing water. Dry the filter in a well ventilated location. Check if both the front and back sides of the filter have dried. Mount the filter in its original position and close the filter cover. Turn the ring surrounding the trackball as shown counterclockwise. Remove the trackball from the operation panel. Remove the trackball from the ring and wipe using a soft cloth. Inspect the trackball for any scratches as they may impact a smooth operation for the user. Damaged trackballs must be replaced for new. Within the control panel, carefully clean the 3 support spheres and grooves using a dry cotton applicator. Use an air duster to remove any hard material from the sensors. Finish cleaning with a dust-free, lintless cloth. If it is difficult to remove the stains, slightly dampen the cloth surface with water. If stains or marks remain attached to the surface of the trackball, it may lead to unstable operations. After cleaning, mount the trackball on the ring and attach the ring and trackball to the operation panel. Peripheral parts and power plug. Remove the power plug from the wall receptacle and wipe off any dust using a dry cloth. Visually inspect that the power plug and cable are free from damage or exposed wires. You have now completed cleaning of the ARIETTA 850.